Assalamualaikum sir.
वालेकुम सलाम। तो आप लोगों ने गूगल माई बिजनेस के ऊपर कुछ किया, पेजेस वगैरह कुछ बनाए थे? कल जो हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था, अगर उसके ऊपर कुछ आप लोगों ने किया हो तो बताएं।
Yes, sir. I'll show.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah,
Sir, is it visible?
yeah, it is.
Sir, so I have created business Gmail and set up other.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it is visible. Okay.
I have added small description to the events,
Mm-hmm.
and especially you have mentioned that to add Hyderabad and Telangana whenever we are writing any description or text. So I have included this
Mm-hmm.
particular line.
Right.
Then the range from which we can organize that particular event, like at what scale we can do. So I have included 50 to 2000 for corporate and conferences.
Right.
Then the pricing depends on a number of attendees, all catering requirements and other such requirements I have mentioned.
Right.
One more thing I can add in the last line as call us now to discuss more.
Right. You can.
Then I did same for anniversary, birthday parties, and weddings.
Right. Fair enough.
I have added a few photos. I did logo, cover, and
Few photographs.
photos.
Great.
Then another thing is I did verified with the OTP, and also I was exploring this section, sir. It's saying you can get free 2000 worth credits.
Right. That will be there. Yes. Okay. So you created, you converted this into website format as well. After
No,
set-
sir. I didn't just started that website, but couldn't complete that one, that part.
Okay.
I did choose this theme, but haven't modified it yet.
Okay. Mhm. Go down. Yeah. So we have updated this cover. Fair enough. So you just try to finish it off because this will help us to work more. Okay.
Yes, sir. Just like few more things to do, then I'll be getting done with it.
Once you finish
I have
that,
updated location and others. Sir.
Mhm. So once you finish this, you can publish, and then we can actually look into
Yes,
that.
sir.
Yeah. And
Thank you. That's it.
always whenever
Yes, sir.
you are trying to write address and all, try to see that first character should be in capital, and then because that is the normal thing. Say, for example, Shekhar Khana Lane, right? So SK and L. Similarly for Alija, right? So I'm like, these are
Okay, sir.
right. So these are typical style when you write it. So it's not that you have written it wrong, but the format of writing is what.
Yeah,
Right.
got it, sir. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Shahryar has showcased. Anyone else?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Once from Parvez.
Parvez, yes, sir.
Yeah, Parvez.
Last night I tried to,
Mhm,
but by using mobile, I prepared a business account on Google.
mhm.
I already shared a screen recording on your personal number.
Don't share me on the personal number. Put that in the group. I'm not sure about this.
Here I gave some description.
Mhm.
Then I added timing for the cafe
Yeah.
and give a direction along with the photos and number. It's already reflecting on Google Maps.
Okay. So if you can share your Google Map link or the business page what you have created, uh, that will be also good. So that can look into it little detail.
Okay. So I have one query.
Yeah.
So what should we do on the part of payment? Because it's reflecting me that pay 5,000, 4,000
Where
to reach maximum number of the customers to promote your
no, so
business.
we are not talking about promotion right now. The way that Shahryar was
Mhm.
showing that 2,000 rupees worth for advertising that will be getting free. So all these things.
Yeah, that's I claimed yesterday, but I don't because I'm getting a bug while reaching that point, but after payment for 5,000, 6,000,
So
just getting a confused part. That's all.
that's where I was explaining it other day as well.
Hmm.
That sometimes claiming these 2,000 may require some amount to be spent, then Google will pay, then Google will redeem these amount, right? So
Hmm.
that's when we will be starting the advertising part of it. That moment we can look into it. But for now, I need to look into the optimal creation of this Google My Business page or the website what you have on a Google business dot site, whatever the website that you have created. So need to review it thoroughly, and then based on that, we'll be moving towards when we'll be moving towards paid ad of Google. That time we can look into that part.
Okay. Good.
Yeah. So better you can share the Google link in the group, and then we can review that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Yeah, Fatim. Yeah, I have received message from Salwa as well that she is not well, so that's okay. Yeah, please, Asra.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I directly share the Google link?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
You share that in the group. I'll
No,
open
sir. Like I'll share my screen only.
Yeah, please, please, please.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah. सर्विसेज में जैसे you have just kept name, right? Services, right? You can see what the way that I think Shahriar was showing that for every service he has mentioned some detail. So you can do that way as well, right? For every service you will get an option to detail it, make some detailing part of it. Okay, so try to put that. Or
Website also.
yeah.
I forgot to add that Hyderabad here, sir.
No problem.
The description.
No problem.
I'll make it.
That's okay.
Sir, yeah, is it a good thing to add 24 hours open? Because like we can't function for
No, it
24
depends.
hours. Right?
It depends. It depends. Say, for example, you have support team, or you have your availability is like that. So you can keep it. Some of the companies who are working in day and night shifts, they actually put this kind of thing as well. So it's all up to and a company, right? So
Got it, sir.
more or less, I'm like, if you see in terms of that our availability normally, yes, it is specific hours that we operate, but again, it depends. All right. Yeah. Anyone else?
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam, sir.
Yeah, I'll show you the screen. So I was creating this product for the website, and one of the error is the product is not visible to customers due to some issue here. So
Right. So why product is not visible to customer? Because it is showing that some content that has been used is violating it, right?
yeah.
Right. So we request to either say you can go through this, or in violation of product policy like alcoholic beverages and all, right? Resolve issues and request for review. So in case you have used that kind of thing, then it is like that. Then it is also mentioning issue number 1, right? So click over there. Right. Issue.
This is
Go at the top, little up, and then drop down. This is showing issue, right? So what exactly it is? Shopping policy, review shopping ads, policies, and update your feeds. rather than putting this as a product, we can put that as a as a post and then mention price over there.
Okay.
Right. So instead of products, you can put packages, or still if that persists, then we can post this as a post and then put a detailing over there.
Okay. Okay. So this is the website.
Mhm.
I mean,
So why you kept this name as a star? Like intentionally you kept this name as Starvation Saif, or what?
yeah, yeah. Previously, I only put Staravian, but actually our own website is Staravian. So when I went in Google search,
Mhm.
so it's showing the staravian.com.
Okay,
So to avoid
that's okay.
confusion,
No problem. No problem. That's okay.
so I have just given the basic information here.
Mhm.
Inshallah, I will try to do the other things.
Okay.
Yes, and business.
So normally what happens, say for example, you have a website available, right, which is staravian.com, right?
Yeah.
Google Business actually gives you an opportunity to create some, because people will be searching with your name, with your
Yeah.
company name, right? So when Google gives us an option to list it in Google Map as well as with the Google site, it doesn't make difference even if a website like that is already available, right? So,
Mhm.
so what will happen if someone search with that particular name of your website,
Yeah.
travel agency in Hyderabad, or with that your company name?
Yeah.
This listing will also appear, which will be narrating about the same, right? On that, in this, when you are putting up all these posts, so on home, you will be able to find that somewhere also you will get an option to update your website. Okay, so
Yeah.
you can add your main.com website also over there
Okay. To this one.
to this one. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Right. So आप home पे जाके या फिर आप whenever you are putting up, so you can actually do some kind of, you can add. आप नीचे जाएं इसके में,
Yeah.
आप you go down. No, not from the left side, from the right side. If you go down, somewhere you will go down. Keep down. Keep going down.
This is end. This is the end.
Okay. So there, no, I don't think this is an end. Okay. Right side से आप थोड़ा सा scroll करें, because I can see still some. Yeah. So okay. So this is end. Okay. Add description. Okay. So I think yesterday when we were looking at, there was a place. Search on
When
yeah,
I go on search on
page.
sorry. Yeah. So this is coming,
Yeah, that is okay. That is
which
okay.
is
But right side, what
yeah.
what? So this
Yeah. This is yeah.
this is already added in the Google My Business. So then it is okay that you have kept a new name. Otherwise, it
Yeah.
will be conflict of name and then
Yeah.
here. So that
Yeah.
way it is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So try to have you added photographs and other things on this business page? Or
Ye- Yeah. Yeah. I've added a logo and all
Mhm.
on cover page, but only one or two. I'll do it today. The remaining I'll do it today.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah. That's fine. Just 1 minute. All right. So, Adiba, you did something?
Yes, sir, I did it, but I did not complete it.
You did not completed it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And one more thing, sir, I didn't got the OTP also.
Mhm. Okay. All right. So that's okay. So then you change the phone number. I think there is a possibility DND hai ya kuch hai. So you try to change the number in case that is the case, and then
No, sir, it showed me to enter the phone number option,
Mhm.
but it did not ask me any verification code after that. It directly took my number.
It took your number, but it also give you an option to verify this or something like that. Or
No, it is only asking for verification of postcard
Hmm.
number.
Okay. So that way you have to put exact address and then submit for the verification, so that, because it's not necessary that every time they will ask for phone number verification or OTP verification. It's a mix and match. So sometimes it will go with the phone number verification, sometimes it will go with uh, what you say, this postal verification.
Okay, sir.
All right. So once we are done with this complete process, then we'll be moving towards search engine optimization part of or keyword research activity. Okay. So I think by mistake my pro version has expired. So my this meeting may finish in another 8 minutes or so. So I'll renew that pro version, that we can continue for a longer time. Anyway, so the moment it will finish, I think we'll be doing for the day. But I'll update it and then keep you guys posted. Now, next to this, uh, will request you guys. I'm like, as I was saying for the Wix site also, to add some of the content on Wix site. Similarly, on this Google My Business also, we need to add few of the content. We need to add few of the content on our on your Google My Business page as well. Against services, against about, or at the top, where you get an option to write a description about your business. So when you will be looking into your Google My Business, you will be able to see that your profile is 80% complete, 60% complete, or 70% complete, or 100% complete. So try to complete it the way that it is saying, and at the same time you also try to add on some description about your business little more in detail. On top of where name of the company or name of things appears exactly over there, or followed by that, you can also put it next to it, next to जो आपका नाम आता है उसके बाद आप डाल सकते हो. One more thing that I will suggest you guys, that along with name of the company, you can also put some description about it, some little detailing, right? So how it is, what I'm trying to say you is, I'll just showcase so that it becomes easy for you guys to understand कि वहां पे अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत अगर आप डिटेलिंग कर देते हैं तो आपके लिए भी आसानी हो जाती है. People will be able to find you out, and then I'll just share you my screen. जैसे आप लोगों को राइट साइड में हमारी कंपनी का दिख के आ रहा है. सो इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट द कंपनी नेम दैट आई हैव केप्ट इन, सो इट्स आल्सो अबाउट against that. So after your company name, you will also get a chance to look into, I'm like, add some of the keywords related to your business or something like that, right? So this helps when people will be searching for this primary. Say for example, Crevent is there, an event organizing company in Hyderabad or something like that, or an event organizing company or corporate event organizer. Right. So likewise, what will happen? It will help you when someone is searching for that particular keyword. It will help you to get listed in Google listings. Okay, with the kind of keywords that you are. So to all of you, you will get a chance to actually extend your name. जो कंपनी का नाम है वो कंपनी का नाम ही रहेगा, बट उसके बाद आपको डिटेलिंग के अंदर या वहां पे जो है एक अगर आप एक वर्ड ऐड कर देते हैं So that will help you to get this particular thing fetched by Google, and you will be able to unlike others will be able to search your company name along with the keyword also in Google search results. So this helps to get more visibility in searching. Okay, तो आप ऐड कर सकते हैं डिटेल्स, डिस्क्रिप्शंस के अंदर भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज भी आप एक कीवर्ड ऐड कर सकते हैं वहां पे, and this will help. So it's not necessary that you put whole complete company name, कि अगर say for example Crevent private limited है तो पूरा का पूरा आप लिखें Crevent hyphen then followed by the keyword what is the prominent keyword that you want people should reach you once they are searching for you. Okay, तो ये चीज थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखें. Same thing applies with say for example SAF has mentioned about the name of the company followed by SAF, and against that after that if you can put in few of the keywords which represents your business, that is also going to help, because जितना ज्यादा ये keywords आपके text में URL में या और भी जगहों पे ये appear होता है, उतना ही ज्यादा आपके लिए ये easy हो जाता है कि आप अपने business को आपके business Google के अंदर fetch होगा और फिर वहां पे वो search होता है. Okay.
Got it, sir.
उसके बाद जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि पोस्ट में भी आप जब जाते हैं क्रिएट अ न्यू पोस्ट, यानी एक ऐड करने का ऑप्शन रहता है, प्रोडक्ट अबाउट कोविड आ रहा है, फिर वो आ रहा है, फिर उसके बाद ऑफर आता है और ऑफर के बाद एक पोस्ट आता है. तो आप वहां पे अगर आप क्लिक करके आप डाल रहे हैं तो इमेज के साथ जैसे मैंने कहा था कि आप इमोजीज यूज कर सकते हो, आप डिटेलिंग यूज कर सकते हो, वहां पे बाय नाउ या लर्न मोर कर रहे हैं तो उसको क्लिक करने के बाद वो आपकी जो विक्स वाली साइट है उसका भी आप लिंक वहां पे दे सकते हैं, या फिर आप अपनी वेबसाइट पे ही रखना चाह रहे हैं तो वहां पे भी रख सकते हैं. So for every post you can connect to your Wix site whatever you have created or your main website whatever is. So अगर आपके पास .com साइट है तो जो भी पोस्ट आप क्रिएट कर रहे हैं there you will find an option to put some description with detailing call to action and all. Then you will also find कि कॉल टू एक्शन क्या होना चाहिए, कॉल नाउ है या विजिट है या ऑर्डर है या विजिट मेन्यू है for restaurant kind of thing. So you put that and then you give a link to that particular site. So what happens, people will be coming to this page, they will be browsing through this page, और फिर उसके बाद वो इसको क्लिक करने के बाद कॉल टू एक्शन बटन को क्लिक करने के बाद आपकी वेबसाइट की तरफ चले जाएंगे. So you are actually helping both of the websites to come as a search result in Google. Okay. ठीक है, तो प्लीज आप लोगों से यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो भी बचा हुआ है काम इस पे गूगल माई बिजनेस पे या विक्स पे जो भी बचा हुआ है उस पे कंटेंट थोड़ा सा अपडेट करिए, और कंटेंट अपडेट करके उसको कंप्लीट कर लीजिए. देन once this is done, so more or less I'll understand that this is done by everyone. So tomorrow we'll be starting with the keyword research part, how to do the keyword research, and then from there we'll be going forward. Right, so time left over is very less. It's a minute and so. So I'm extremely sorry because I didn't realize that has expired and then I was not able to renew it. I'll do it right away so that it is not going to happen for next meeting as well. Okay, that's all from my part, Shahriyar.
Yes, thank you, sir.
No problem.
I have noted down what things you have mentioned, like adding a CTA and more description to photos, and adding a business title. What suits, like what is the motto of your business, main motto, along your name, separating by a hyphen.
Right. तो उस तरह से आप लोग कर लीजिए and then we will see to it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.